Okay, hello. We are broadcasting this webinar live now here from Pyhäluosto, Arctic Husky Farm. And we have been visiting here, now doing some field work, getting familiar with the place. Here you can see some dogs around us, and this is where they live. And we are now here to kind of kick off the work package 2 for good. So we have started. We have been planning here for 2 days and making some arrangements on how we will continue our work during this spring now.
Yeah, it's really about our work package too, and we have now had the opportunity also to participate in the Husky ride. So he have now got like hands-on experience about what we are going to research when we progress. And we have had a tour around this farm, and really friendly service here. And also learning about the dogs, how they are feeded, how their day is going, and also about the year of the husky dog, like what is done in the summer. For example, here these dogs really go for rides in the wintertime, and in the summer they have the ability to rest and just play around here. So it's really been really nice to learn about these. So I think we will now continue taking a tour here, and I'm sure we will get back to here also maybe in the
during the spring to make some more interviews and observations and so on. So it has been a really nice experience.
Yeah. Here's Zorro. He's I think sleeping.
All right, but we'll get back to you in the near future, and we'll continue our work here and all over Lapland.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Kyllä, tämä on juuri se haiseva koira. Joo, en ymmärrä miksi sitä tuli noin valtava. Sen siskosta ei tullut niin isoja, hänestä tuli jostain tommoinen valtava.